How to create your Bitmoji avatar on Snapchat app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create your Bitmoji easily on Snapchat. So first thing you have to do is just go to Snapchat. Now let's go to the home page. This is the home page, as you can see. Now all what you have to do is click here in the top corner and it will take you to this page. Now click here on create my avatar, as you can see, and now all what you have to do is choose if you are male or female, like this, and choose the face, for example, and everything. It's very easy to create. And yeah, as you can see, now choose the skin tone, the hair color, the hairstyle. You have many options, the mustache or the facial hair. As you can see, it's very easy to edit, as you can see right here. And after you finish, click save right here and click yes. Now choose your outfit like this one and click save. It's very easy, and I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much.